Let's talk about the latest launched Samsung smartphone Galaxy S25 Ultra with sleek, strong, stunning design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display, 6.9 inches quad HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels, 19.5:9 aspect ratio, 92.5% screen to body ratio, approximately 498 ppi pixel density, 2600 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus color quality support, and with Corning Gorilla Glass Armor 2 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with quad camera setup on the rear that includes 200 megapixel 24mm wide-angle camera with aperture 1.7 and support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel 111mm 5x optical zoom periscope telephoto camera with aperture 3.4 and support optical image stabilization, and with 10 megapixel 67mm 3x optical zoom telephoto camera with aperture 2.4 and support optical image stabilization, and 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 1.9. For selfies it has 12 megapixel 26mm centered punch hole front camera with aperture 2.2, video recording maximum 8K at 24/30 fps on rear camera, and 4K at 30/60 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of One UI 7 screen on top the device, and the company provides 7 years of Android upgrades, and 7 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 4.47 GHz dual-core Orion V2 Phoenix L plus 3.53 GHz hexa-core Orion V2 Phoenix M, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chipset, paired with Adreno 830 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 mm, and it weighs around 218 grams, and the color options: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium white silver, titanium jet black, titanium silver blue, titanium jade green, titanium pink gold colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt wired fast charging, 15-watt wireless charging, 4.5-watt reverse wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, tri-band, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, with stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C 3.2 charging port, IP68 dust-tight and water-resistant, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at $1,299, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 439,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 165,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.